Meadows. So yeah, late start. That does not mean the rest of the season will be bad. I think we'll get some great days to go skiing.
From here on out, let's just hope that powder keeps on coming.
Keep doing the snow dances. I've got my January cleared out, so I'm going to go up the mountain. Let's take a peek up there. We did see some light new snow for Meadows and for Timberline Lodge yesterday, 7 inches, about a 22-inch base up there. Timberline sits a little higher, so there is a bit more snow up there. But glad to see Meadows opening. Love to see that view at Mount Hood Meadows where there is a lot of snow out there. You're a look at the mountain passes. Notice how you can see the paint and the roadways. So crews are doing a great job clearing out the snow. And today we might see a few snow showers. I don't think it's going to amount to much. And the rest of the week, I don't see any significant snow on the roadways. There might be some compacted snow and maybe some icy spots, so still use caution. But you likely won't need chains over Government Camp. Still have them with you for heading over other passes, though. But the snow does look to stay pretty light here across the state as we get into Saturday and the weekend. The bulk of the snow will likely stay up in areas of northern Washington, Mount Baker again, maybe close to 2 feet coming. So if you really want that good powder, head up to the north parts of the Pacific Northwest. But Mount Hood maybe up to 6 inches if we're lucky. We actually look pretty dry going into this coming weekend, a dry trend setting up. So not much snow in the picture even next week. So I hope you can stack up a few more inches and just hang on to that snow up there for the next couple of weeks. But there's your peak in downtown Portland. We've got the weather Christmas tree beacon on the Standard Insurance building. It's blinking, it's green, meaning we are seeing similar temperatures and some rain on the way for tomorrow. That's actually pretty accurate there. Today's going to be our dry day, so a nice drier afternoon here to get any last minute holiday errands done. Notice how we're seeing just a few scattered showers that are really thinning out here. So we're drying out, may see some damp roadways out there this morning, but not much rainfall coming. Now, offshore here, I'm tracking this low system. It's spinning away still offshore off of the California coastline. This is going to cruise up the coastline here and potentially bring us under some windy conditions. However, there is still a lot of uncertainty on the track of this low. Which track is it going to take? We've got 2 big weather models that show completely different outcomes. One of them has that low tracking up the coastline. This scenario would mean a windstorm in Portland. Impactful winds, maybe gusts up to 50 or even 60 miles per hour. Another model shows this track and that low cruising into central Oregon and Washington. That would bring very little impacts to our area, likely no windstorm, maybe a little breezy on Wednesday. So it's really tough to say the exact scenario of what's going to happen heading into tomorrow. However, with these models showing that chance, about a 50% chance that we have gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour in Portland, that could mean scattered outages. And just in time for the Christmas holiday. This will be Christmas Eve day tomorrow. So I want you to be aware of that chance that we see some stronger gusts, possibly up to about 50 miles per hour here. This weather model still shows that right around noontime that we see some gusts up to 45 to maybe 50 miles per hour in Portland. As we get into the evening, notice how these winds completely die out. So this will be a very short window here through midday, maybe 10 o'clock in the morning to 3 p.m. We get to Christmas Day and we are under a few scattered showers. I think we're actually drying out and we'll see a lot of dry time on Christmas. But there's that low marching up the coastline here. Looking at Christmas Day, few spotty showers, but still a lot of dry time too. So in general, I do think the weather turns very quiet as we get to Christmas Day on Thursday. Friday, few lingering showers, and this weekend, again, we're back to dry weather, but we're going to watch Wednesday very closely. I do think we'll get a better idea by this late morning or afternoon to give you that forecast for Wednesday. But be prepared. There still could be some strong winds in the area here. That chance for wind gusts up to 40 to 50 miles per hour in the Portland area come Wednesday.
All right, Kelly, thanks so much.